Hi, welcome to Sweet Vibes and thank you for watching this video. In this video, I will walk you through the preparation of a wonderful chocolate cake with fresh flower decoration. I just need to mention that this is an easy coffee syrup cake and we are going to use real flowers in cake. Keep in mind that the ingredients which we are using are for preparing a 1 kilogram cake. So the ingredients are put some butter or oil and spread it on the bottom and around the sides of the pan. Make sure you spread over all the edges. Now sift the flour, cocoa powder, corn flour, baking soda, baking powder, and I prefer to sift it for 3 times. We also need sugar, but not regular sugar, we need powdered sugar. So let's start beating. First take a large bowl and start beating egg white till it becomes stiff. Make sure you beat it in a very low speed. When it starts to become stiff, you can increase the speed. Now you can see it has become stiffer. Now take another bowl and start beating egg yolk. Add 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla essence after just beating it in, then continue beating it very low speed. Make sure you beat only in one direction. Next, add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar into it after beating for some time. Continue this process till you add all the sugar. Once you completed adding all the sugar, the batter becomes fluffier and paler in color. Meanwhile, you can start preheating the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Now mix 1 tablespoon of the flour mix and 1 tablespoon beaten egg white into the beaten egg yolk and mix it by cut and fold method. Continue this process till it completes. texture of the batter, and now it is ready for baking. So pour it into the pan and bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. First 30 minutes. I'm just using a toothpick to check it, and I can't see that it is perfectly baked. So now I'll keep it aside for it to get cool. Next, we are going to crumb coat the cake. Refrigerate large bowl and beater. Now add 1 cup of chilled whipping cream. Beat the whipping cream at very low speed and increase the speed when it becomes crispy. Cut the cake into 3 layers. Now place the turntable and cake board and place first layer of cake. Apply some sugar syrup. Want to make the sugar syrup by boiling 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water and add a little coffee mixture, that is 1½ teaspoon of hot water and 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. Next, apply a very thin layer of whipping cream and spread white chocolate. Make a dab. Place next layer of cake and repeat the process. At last, we can apply a thin layer of whipping cream. That is crumb coat. Refrigerate the cake for some time. Next step is cover the cake with beaten whipping cream. spatula spread cream in all directions. Mix sharp edge with spatula. Now we can decorate the cake with fresh red roses. This is the final look of the cake. A very simple real flower decoration. You can make for any functions and programs. This is a very easy recipe of coffee syrup chocolate cake. See you all in next video.